Students of class 10. Student, today I have brought you a new session for your unit 4 digital presentation. And in this session, children, we will study about reviewing the content. The children, sometime it is very important for us to presenting before our presentations to the audience. So we have such options to help us, that is a review tab. It helps us reviewing our presentation effectively. If there is any error, we can check very easily, like the spellings in the presentations, allows you to add the comments for the different slides of the presentation, and also allows you to compare the two different versions of the same presentations to check for the modification. So children, first we will see here about the spelling options. In the spelling options, we can correct manually as well as with the help of the as a options given in the PowerPoint. So now let's have a look of this video by practically we will do this. Children, now we have here the presentations as a slide. In this slide, there is some mistakes. By luckily, we have such options for correcting in review tab. Click on the review tab and click on the spellings here. We get here the such a as a board here, that is given about the spelling, as a sometime we can edit it by a very easy way here. As some suggestions about the text, we can change all. If you have done in many places, that you can do all this as a change all, but sometime we as a we can ignore all and add also here for that the as a proper noun, as a sometime the people name we can ignore or ignore all, and we can add also for the future. The children, we as we can add here now, and but sometime we can do this manually also, like here the June, June, but it is not written in the capital, but we can do it manually also. If is there is only one as an error, we can remove this mistake by writing as by clicking the right click of the as a June here. This will be as a remove the error. This is a red wavy line, it just shows here that is a spelling mistake. As I told you in the as a MS Word, then go to the backstage and we can change the settings of the as a grammar. So now is a proofing option we will select here. In the proofing option, we will activate or deactivate of the spell check. As you type, hide spell and grammar errors and check grammar with the spelling. The children, you can activate this option or deactivate according to your needs. So I think it is a very helpful options while writing or while as a typing, as you can deactivate also. You want to check, or if you don't want to as a show the spelling mistakes, so you can uncheck this box. Otherwise I will prefer to you to check this box, because it is very helpful while writing. It will tell you to the mistake, and click on the OK button. And now we will come back on our slide and present in presentation. The children, as you can do it manually as children, it is very helpful for the removing the errors, as I told you about the grammatical mistakes and the spelling mistakes and contextual mistakes also. So children, we can help get the help of here the spelling mistakes from the as a spelling grammar mistake here. Now student, we will understand about the research options let us to know about the such a meaning which we don't know the exactly what is the exactly what is the mean of that. So we can do and we can search the what is exact meaning of that word, so by here the research options. So now as we have a such a words, and we will select that words, like here the mind boggling, we don't know about what is the exact meaning, and we not confirm about this meaning. So we can get here the select that okay, words and click on the review tab, and now this is a research option. Click on this research option. Now this pan will let you to know about the mind boggling here, what is the correct meaning and what is the exact meaning of this word here. We can see here, we can go through the link also, but it should be connected your computer with the internet here, and we can get the many meanings, many here the such as options by the related to the mind boggling. Now next term as related to the thesaurus, children. Thesaurus is such a dictionary of the synonyms. We can get the many words related to a particular words, like here the knowledge, and we want to get the new words related to this knowledge as a synonyms. So now we can get here, select that words, and we can go through the thesaurus options. So now this is also in the review tab. Click on the thesaurus tab and we can get here this panel. This pan will let you to know about the exact the synonyms of this knowledge here. We can get here like understanding, as a comprehension, what we want to get here. We can replace that with that word, selecting that and click on an insert button. So this way, children, we can as a replace with that the words as a synonyms is a such a group of the words which we can get here. Now children, as we can get here the for the language as a such a option, we can get here the such a now new sentence, like here the offerings here, we teach many language. We want to convert this language into the another language. So for this we can go through the here the such a options as a now click on the as a review tab, and we find here the translate option. Click on this translate options and now translate selected text if you want, or mini translation. To click on the selected text. Now we have the what the text we have written there. Now we want to convert as a select here to in the Swedish language. If you want to click on the insert option, if you want to replace, so then please place your cursor or please enter the cursor and click on the insert. So now it is written in the Sweden language here. If you want to as a get the another language, press the enter and you can go in the other language. Only here you have to select the other language. Now as we will select here such a as a here the option related to the as a German. The German, it is written here. We can't read this because it is very complicated to read for me. If you can read, that is a very good thing. As now we can get here the French language here. So now it is written in the French language. The children, this we can get here the different language. So children, it is a very fun to convert our language into the another language here. So this is you want to as a Korean language, so you can as a select and insert that it is written in the Korean language. The children, it is a very fun to learn the new languages as you can get by this MS PowerPoint here. Now children, next about the comment here. We can use the comment for such a line, such a paragraph, and such a text or such a word. So for as inserting the comment, first of all we will click here the new slide. As in the this slide we will write some text, because comment is a very useful for as a such your presentation, means without the showing the main important parts of that line, we can as a present with the viewer. So here when you are reviewing the presentation, you can write your suggestion without making any changes on the original presentation using that is a comments group. So here children, at the comment group, first of all we should have here the some data or some here the matter with the words or lines or paragraphs here. So such a here the making such a text here for applying the comments in the slide here. So let's here, so first of all click on the insert tab, and if you want to apply comment or add first, select that word on which you want to add the comment. So as like here the quick we will select here for applying or for adding the comment. And now children, you can see here the comment as a click on this comment tool. As you click this comment tool, the comment pan will be as appeared in your right hand side. Now you can see this is the comment pan. And now whatever you want to write about this word, you can write here in the comment box. The children, as you can write here the such a like a synonyms, like a quick means fast, as you can write here the fast. And this will appear here. And now if you want to apply in a line or in a sentence, so first as a like applying in the sentence, I mean adding this in the sentence, click on the as a commenter, or you can here the click on the new commenter, as you can click on the comment tool, or you can click on the new. And for this we can as a add here the about this this is this line is important, so you can write this here. This line is very important, so you can write this about here. And this is here the reply option. Reply means suppose your friends reply about your comment here, so that or you can also here write as a reply as a okay sir. We can write here as a okay sir. So this is our this you can give the reply also about that comment here. And now after that we can apply the next comment on the as a this whole paragraph. This paragraph, select the paragraph, and now click go through the this comment as a tool, or you can click on the new option. So as you can click on the comment tool, and now we have a next or new comment, as you can write here about this line as a here. Okay, read this paragraph. Okay children, so we can write here the this about this comment. This is a as a only for the example to show you here as a reply. If you want to, you can give the reply, or your friend can give the reply here. So children, this way we can apply here the as a comment, I mean we can add the comment in the our line or in the paragraph in with the word or with the sentence. The children, as you can see here, this is a here, as you click on this comment box, so automatically what is written inside this box, that would be appear here. The as a commenter pan will be activated. So now it is written about the fast here. So this way we can see the all the comment box one by one. We can see as you click on this as we can find the all the matter written inside this box, as here the okay sir also here we can see the reply. And next last here it is a comment. We can see also here, read this paragraph. And if your friend want to give the reply here, they can write also here the that reply here. So children, this way we find here the as a such a buttons, as a buttons for here, I mean for go to the previous as a commenter. So click on this previous button, you can go as a one by one to your previous as a commenter. And this way we can move to one by one here. And this is a next, we can go through the next as a comment one by one by pressing this button here. So children, this way we can move as a we can add also the commenter, and we can move by this button previous and next. And now children, we find this as a drop down button. Click on this drop down button, and we find here the three option: move, size, and close. So first of all, move. And okay, we can talk about here the first the move. If you want to move your this pan, okay children, you can move this pan to anywhere on the screen. First for this we have to click on this move option, and you can move to the left side, right side, or upside, downside, where you want. As you click, your mouse pointer will be converted into the move hand toolbar. And now you can place your as a pan, this comment pan, in the left hand side, or you can keep your top side, downside, or you can keep the that it's a place. And now after that, if you want to increase the size of this pen, so you can go to in the, I mean, that option, that is the size, as I showed you here, the size. Click on this size option and you can increase the comment pen size here. Means according to your needs, you can increase the size of the comments pan here. So children, this way we can decrease the pan by help of the this option, size option. And you want to close, to click on the close. If you don't want to as a open this comment pan, click on the close button, so this will be disappeared. So children, this way we can as a use the comment group here. As you can see here, click on this again, the comment box comment pan will be appeared on the screen your right hand side. And you can see here, if you want to close this, I mean, you want to as a delete this comment, you can go through here. As you can see, this is a line here. You, if you want to as a paste, sorry, about you want to paste about this comment box, means if you what is written inside this box and you want to paste in any other places, you can click on the copy text and select that, and you can press the paste option, or you can use the shortcut key control plus V for paste option. Control plus V for van. Control plus V as a paste for such a text, what is written inside that box. So children, this way we can paste also as a comment what is that written inside that. So children, this way we can use about the as a copy paste option about the comment here. So you can see this is here written about the read this paragraph about what is written inside this box. You can see now children, you can see here the new comment. You want to edit or add the new comment inside that, so we can as a click on the new comment. Inside that we can add or edit the comment here. As you can want to write as a read this paragraph very carefully. This time as I have written about inside this, okay, with this comment as it is written, this paragraph is important, but here we have written now this time read this paragraph very carefully. So children, this way we can as a add the more comment with the existing comment. And this is, you can see it is a close button. You can close also this or you can right click on that comment box and click on the as a delete comment. The delete comment, it let you to delete the comments one by one. If you want to delete by right pressing the right button, or you can click on the as a comment box here. So comment box let you to delete directly from there as a delete comment. This way you can delete, or you can delete by the pan option also here as a given here. You can see this is a as a cross button. You can see this is a cross button. You can click on this cross button and it will be deleted from there. So children, this way we can delete one by one all comments here. As we have written here, we can delete the all the comments. The children, as what I told you about the comments, you can do the practice at your home, and what about the others, you can do the practice. So children, I hope you will feel happy to see this video. Thank you for very much for seeing this video.